Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another video. The car's running and driving pretty good. Had a blocked bleed valve for the boost controller. I fixed that up last night. It was running like 25 pounds of boost, basically just free boosting. I think I got boost cut set to about 25, probably why it wouldn't get any higher. It keeps popping out of first gear, so that's a big issue. Probably something faulty with the second-hand gearbox I got, but I mean, you get that with buying second-hand parts. It means I'm going to have to pull the gearbox back out again. I'm going to scour the internet in a few days and order a few bits and pieces for that, pull that back out, fit them. Hopefully that'll solve the problem. If not, gearbox back out again. I mean, the car runs and drives for now. It's just very annoying having it punch itself back out at first. So my goal for today is I got a set of cheap bucket seats. They came out of an R32, so I'm just going to be trying to fit these up today in place of the old stock ratty ones. They're getting pretty old and cruddy, and I want a bit more bolstering support, I guess. As you can see, all the plastic's falling off them and they're just old and shitty, so that's going to be my job for today. It's going to be a pain in the ass because I've got to try and get these stock rails to somehow work with those aftermarket seats. They're just some no-name brand ones. I'd like to get a set of Brides eventually, but for the time being I think they'll be pretty good. So this battery's going flat, so I'll roll the intro and we'll get stuck into it. Maybe we'll go for a drive later today when I get it done. So let's see how we go. Tidying up and pulling it out. I got all the plastic covers off. I just got to unbolt the 4 bolts, take the wiring for the seatbelt pretensioner off and pull the seat out, and then same on the other side.
Every day I put my hands together and pray.
cool to mount the new one to. There's a rail. Go ahead and take that off quickly. So that's the way it's got to go. Well, looks like I've got some modifying to do. Cut that off. Weld them on. Alright, well, I'll go and modify this and I'll be back. Okay, so I got this one all done. I ended up just welding it down onto the original rail. Someone had these washers just bolted down this rail to pull it down. I've gone ahead and welded these washers onto this bracket just to try and help keep them there, and then as you pull the bolt down obviously it'll pull onto it. These ones are going to be a bit tricky to get onto on the seat, but I mean it's on there. These welds aren't perfect, but they're good considering I'm just using flux at the moment. I was going to TIG them on, but the time it would have taken to set it all up and get it all ready, and just buzz them on with the flux. So go ahead and bolt that on the seat, and then I'll put the seat in the car, and we'll go from there. So hopefully it'll go on without too much trouble. So far so good. I think the seat's going to be a little crooked in the car though, that's going to bother me a bit. Yeah, it's on there. Alright. Go ahead and bolt these suckers down. I actually might Loctite these in there. Because I don't want them coming back out again. Hey guys, just finished getting the bucket seats in. My battery went flat. There wasn't much else to see. I just finished welding up the brackets to the rails, bolted the seats down, bolted them back in the car, gave it a quick vacuum, and that's it. I'm about to go for a drive up Mount Tambo. Just drive the car. It's still jumping out of first, it's probably getting worse. I figured I'd take it for a drive, show you guys. I haven't shown a lot of footage of it driving. Just stopped to grab some E85 and I'm about to run out of memory on this card, so I'll jump back in when I get up to closer to the mountain and we'll go for a run up the mountain and have a look. Catch up with you guys back when I get to the mountain. Alright guys, we're just about to hit the base of the mountain now. There's an old Holden up there. So far so good. Had a couple of fellas and some utes give me shit about the chop stickers on the back. But it's all good. These seats feel so much better, and so does the new diff gears. The new diff gears just feel amazing. I just went around those utes before that gave me some shit about me stickers, and it just comes on boost so much stronger now. Get stuck behind these cars, wouldn't I? Oh well, still a good fun drive. I always love coming up here. I don't get to come up here very often, especially in this car. This car's always braking. You can tell we're starting to get a bit of altitude. The ears are starting to pop. Everyone's out today in their cars. I hope the camera's picking that up. I'm not going to find out until I get home. The speedo's been out ever since I did the 6-speed conversion. That thing must be a 202. That's it, mate. Race car. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Sick.
like 7. See, everyone's out today. After it seems like I should be heading that way. Yeah, FT86. I know BRZ. Subaru. God, he's pushing. Oh, these seats are just so much better. I'm so happy I brought them, even though they're just cheap, generic, no-name brand ones. They just make it so much nicer to drive. Shame about first gear though. I mean, I didn't want to have to pull the gearbox back out again, but you get that though. That's it. Well, this car's going that way. I want to keep going. Go up to look out. Everyone's probably there though. It's going to be the only fun part. Well, that's it. Guys, I made it up, checked out the view. It's time to make my way back down. You would try and come in here, wouldn't you, mate? Looks like they're jumping off the side of the fucking cliff. Let's go and have a look at that for a second. Ready to jump, hey, that's a good jump. Oh, what's going on here, mate? Let's go. Alright, well, I'll stop recording here. I'm just gonna head my way back down the other side of the mountain. I'll start recording again when there's something going on. Alright, well, here we go. Run down the mountain. Stuck behind traffic again. Oh, I knew that was coming. Oh, let's go, mate. There's no point wasting precious fuel. Come on, guys, all of you, go down there. I don't even have to do anything. Oh, I get to go up here. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna cut this here and I'll come back again. Okay, so still stuck in this traffic. This little yellow car up there has been driving like a grandma. Hopefully I can get around them all now, or they just go in different directions. I hope. That is the hope anyway. They're all going right, or am I still stuck behind them? No, I'm still stuck behind every single fucking one of them nearly. Fuck, are you serious? Oh, this is traffic. Oh, this is irritating me now. I'm really hating on this little yellow car right now, guys. Okay, let's go.
Denied.
Fucking thing. Anyway, the seats are great, the car's running fine, apart from first. Looks like I gotta take the gearbox out. I probably said it like 6 times in this video. I'm not looking forward to it. I thought I was done with gearbox stuff. Now I guess not. Ah, Subaru. Yeah. I guess I'll get the gearbox out and we'll get around to the track soon and see what she runs down the strip. Hopefully I can break into the 11s. I'm not expecting it. I don't have sticky enough tyres on the back for it. Traction in first and second, well, probably just be second at this point. The traction's a bit of an issue. I'm going to try and get some better tyres. But anyway, this is where I'm going to end this video, I think. Seems like a fitting end, getting around that car. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Lots more videos coming. Gotta pull the gearbox back out. Don't know if I'll show me pulling it out, but I'll probably show all the changes that I made inside the gearbox to try and stop it from popping out at first. I think I'm just going to do the first, second synchro and the selector fork bushes. I'd like to give it a new bearing kit. I just don't have that much money at the moment. I've got to get those parts out of the States as it is, so it's going to be a couple of weeks for them to come in. And by the time this video goes up though, I should have the parts and should be able to pull it apart and show you that. But yeah, anyway, it's been a big day. I'm going to head home, have a few drinks before work tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.